Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here with another awesome video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at steps that you could take to help you to establish business credit. This will be a two-part series. Now, let me greet everyone. Everyone that's listening to this, you should prosper and be in good health. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now the first step is this. You need to make sure that you have the foundation for a business and the basics. Now, it is extremely important that you have a business phone number, that you have a business email address, and that you have an actual business address, especially if this is a new business. These are the things that must be in place. All right. When you don't have them in place, it doesn't mean that they're not going to grant you credit, but it sends up a flag because they're trying to determine if you are a credible business and your creditworthiness. All right. Number two, you need to make sure that your business is registered. Now, I have two LLCs. Okay, they're registered. I'm in the state that I live in. It requires that it be registered with the state. Now, the different business entities are: one, an LLC; two, an S corporation; a sole proprietorship; independent contractor; and a DBA. Now, I had several family members to have sole proprietorship. One, my father was a barber. He cut hair, and so he had his own business. He was an entrepreneur and also a sole proprietor. My grandfather, my father's father, was an entrepreneur. He sold hot tamales. That's correct. He would, sell these things out of his vehicle. And then later on, he actually got a restaurant, a small order, kind of like a short order, small order fast food place, where he would sell hamburgers, hot dogs, shakes, malts, cookies, and he would prepare food for people. It was kind of like, like one of the fast food places, but he created that, and that's how he took care of himself. Okay, and you could be that independent contractor and a DBA. So you need to make sure that whatever requirements are within your city, state, or county that you register. Okay, and it varies from city to state. DUNS number. Now, it's extremely important that you have this DUNS number. Both of my LLCs do have a DUNS number. Now, this DUNS number it's called a Dun& Bradstreet number. And it's a reporting agency. It's a credit reporting agency for businesses. All right. So this will really work to your advantage to have that. EIN number. Now, you must also have, some businesses are required to have an EIN number, and it is granted or given to you by the IRS. Now, this EIN number, or the employee identification number, is the same as or equivalent to a social security number for an individual. So an EIN number would be considered like a social security number for a business. Okay, so this is the number that the IRS, this is how it tracks business entities. This is how to keep up with your revenue when it comes to filing the documentations, where you allow the IRS to see how much income you've earned, and it is done with your EIN number. And again, it is given by the IRS. They do require some businesses to get one. Now, on some financial applications, they will require an EIN number. Not all, but some will require on the financial application. EIN is used to report business credit. That EIN number is used to report business credit. So it is extremely important that you get one. All right. Now, success leaves clues, and it does. It is very important that you become a person that takes massive action every day, every day, every day. Massive action. There's nowhere around it. You must also have a PMA, positive mental attitude. Some examples of that would be, I am designed to do great things. There is greatness within. Everything that I touch prospers. For I am blessed coming in, and I am blessed going out. These are some examples. Now, if you happen to have, say, some older family members, they need to start getting a vision or an image of themselves living to at least to be 120 years of age. Now, there's a great history book out there that has been translated into many different languages. It is considered to be bestsellers. It has sold more copies than any other book. And in this book, there are several promises. And one of the promises that it talks about is living a good old age in good health. How we can live to be at least 120 years of age. So, at the time of this recording, I am 60 years of age. I would love to be 120 years of age, eyesight not abated, climbing up a new mountain, not sliding down an old one, in good health. So let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you, may He grant you His favor, and may He continue to give you His peace. This has been Uncle James. Have a great week. Take care now.